We're showing here our new family of StageLink devices, which are simply 2110, 30 devices, edge devices. We have the family starts with the NSA3, which is a two-wire analog party line interface to bring the signals over IP into an Artis or Bolero systems. Then we have the NSA4, which is a 4-input device. And we have NSA5 with 4 outputs, and the NSA6 with an input, 2 outputs, and a headphone output, which is a workplace device for working places where you can stream audio to your monitors and so on. We also have the NSA7, which is a classic 2-wire interface, 2 inputs, 2 outputs. Then we have the NSA10, which is a 16 GP input and 16 GP output box. Except of the NSA3, which is a pure 2-wire analog device, all our other NSAs have universal inputs and outputs. What is a universal input or output? It's an input or an output which can be digital and analog. In the case of the inputs, we even have a full-range microphone preamp in the devices with 150 dB of dynamic range. On the input side, the devices switch automatically to digital or analog, whatever you have connected. On the output side, you certainly have to switch it by hand, and either the devices or the output is digital or analog. Boxes are controlled via a web interface, which is running on the box. And you have an overview page where you see the most important information for all the ports. And you have here on the NSA6, we got the 2 outputs, got an input. You see they have a different hue. That's because we have a port detection on all of our audio IOs. So if I pull a plug, you can see that this one is going gray now. So you have from remote, you have an overview of what is connected to your box and what not. So you've got information on the format it's running. It's like this digital LED. We see that actually the box or the output is receiving audio from an active stream by the RX LED. We've got a signal LED. The input, you've got also the phantom, that lock, if it's digitally locked, and you got a TX, which shows you your input is streaming into your network. A very nice tool to debug your system. And then we have also a location or identification feature. If I click on the right top here, I can make the device identifying itself, and you see that by the blinking LEDs. But I can talk to a stagehand, for example, as a FOH engineer. You say, see the device which is blinking, go to that one. Plug your cable into, let's say, output 1, and then only the output 1 is blinking. And that you can identify the ports for the person having to connect cables. Please come to the Riedel Communications booth at ISE 2025 and get a live demo of the StageLink series.